and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to change your username or your account name on Windows 11. So the very first thing that you need to do is just go to your control panel. You can just type in your search bar for your control panel, and after that just open it. Now once you are in your control panel, you can see something that says user accounts. So just click on that. Now under your user accounts, you can see one more time something that says user accounts. Now dig deeper and just click on that. And after that, once you are here, you will see that your computer will show information regarding your account name along with your profile picture. And on the left side, you can see something that says change your account name, change your account type, etc, etc. So you need to click on the change your account name, and then it will open this dialog box. So just go ahead and type in your new account name. You can just type in, and after that you have to click on change name. So once you've done that, now your name would be changed from your previous to the new typed in name. Now you can see that by going to your Windows option, and here as you can see, my account name has been changed. So this was all for the video, guys. I hope you found this video useful, and if you have any queries regarding this video, please make sure to put them in the comments box. And also do not forget to like, share and subscribe to PC Tips Pro to be regularly updated with these helpful tech content. Thank you for watching, guys.